Hey everybody, it's Molly. I am going to do a ring pour today with the cloudy effect. So I've got my cup mixed with satin enamel, and I'm actually doing a collaboration with Mixed Media Girl. So I'm super excited. I'm going to send this to her, and she's gonna artistically do her thing with it, whether it be resining over it, adding some gold leafing. I'm leaving it up to her. So I'm super excited about this. I've looked up to her since I started pouring and reached out, and she was so kind and generous to actually do something with me. So thank you so much. I'll post the link to her down below, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. This is a 20 by 20 inch canvas. I've used copper and gold and cobalt metallic. So I've got 3 metallics in there. I've got some purple, dioxazine purple, and a little bit of phthalo blue. Ooh, there's my gold coming out. Yay, my gold actually came out this time. Okay, so we'll see what happens. Okay, phew. Got that last drip out of there. Okay, I'll try to tilt so that you guys can see it on canvas. I'm gonna start. So you guys know for my ring pours, I normally do a much thicker paint, but for these cloudy pours to get the effect, the paints need to be pretty thinned out. And I don't care if my rings stay exactly perfect. To get to the corner, since this is a square canvas, I'll have to change it around anyway. I don't want my center to go all the way off. Bring that back. I painted the edges ahead of time because I didn't want the edges to show through with the thin paint. Wow, I really like it. Kind of like it that it's lopsided. So I think I might just leave that right there. And then we'll see what pops up in a little bit. So give me 1 second, I'll take you down. I'll have to fix my corners too. Okay, you guys, so here it is right now. There's a bunch of defined lines in here. That copper and that gold, they're really pretty. There's the tiniest little bit of them in the center there. We'll see what actually comes out when it dries. Go up here. I think it's really pretty. Okay, so I'll come back, let this sit and dry for a little while, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay? Okay, hi you guys. This is dry now, and it dried beautifully, no cracking. That soft center gold and the copper over here with the purple. I'm so excited to see what Mixed Media Girl is gonna do to this. I cannot wait. But there she is, the first part of the collab. All right, thank you guys so much. Can't wait to see the final result. Thanks, Mixed Media Girl. Bye, you guys.